Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to use qremeshify modifier, and I'm not going to fast forward this video, and I'm going to create one complex shape by using qremeshify modifier, qmeshify add-on. Sorry. First, I'm going to create one cube like this. Then I'm going to add one cylinder. Just scale it a little bit. Scale. I'm going to keep one cylinder here, duplicate it, and keep one cylinder here, and again duplicate it, and then keep one cylinder here like this, and then create one box cube and select one here, and just here like this, and just increase our thickness. And now just combine this all object by pressing Ctrl J. So this is one object and this is another object. Now select this button object and then go here and add boolean modifier, and just select this object and then hide it. Click on here and then hide this cylinder. So the see we have something like this. This array apply it and then select. Okay, so we have like this shape. And now see the topology. See the topology is not nice. And now I'm going to use qremeshify modifier, qremeshify add-on. Just go here and click remesh. It will take some time. Now it is done. Place here, see the object. Wow, what a beautiful topology. And we can also add smooth now on this object. Also add smooth. So see the output. See the So this is very nice add-on from Blender. We can create very complex shape in just one click. Sorry. So we can create very complex uh, objects from this modif add-on. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.